In a bustling city nestled in the heart of Asia, there lived a young girl named Stephanie. With a curious spirit and a thirst for adventure, she embarked on a journey alone to Seoul, South Korea. It was autumn season. The air was crisp and cold, ranging between -3 Celsius to 6 Celsius, signaling the transition to winter. As Stephanie set out her exciting adventure, she couldn't help but feel a mixture of excitement and nervousness. She was embarking this trip alone, embracing the thrill of the unknown. Little did she know that this journey would not only challenge her, but also introduce her to a whole new world of possibilities and friendships. As she explored the vibrant streets of Seoul, Stephanie discovered the beauty and richness of its culture. She visited historical landmarks that transported her back in time, immersing herself in the rich history of this ancient city. From the grand palaces to ancient temples, each place she visited offered a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Korea's past. But Seoul is not just about history. It is also a metropolis filled with modern landmarks and trendy spots. Stephanie wandered through the bustling markets and trendy cafes, sampling the local delicacies and immersing herself in the vibrant energy of the city. Throughout her journey, Stephanie encountered people from many walks of life, from English to Korean-speaking persons, and even Chinese and Indonesian speakers. Stephanie found herself navigating through different languages and cultures, expanding her horizon and deepening her understanding of the world. And so, with a heart full of memories and suitcases filled with stuffs, Stephanie bid farewell to Seoul and embarked a new chapter of her life. Every step towards her next destination, she knew that the magic she had experienced on this journey would forever remain etched in her heart.